Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we'll guide you through how to enable voice navigation on Google Maps. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Here we are in Google Maps. Voice navigation is very useful because when navigation is running, you'll hear directions through your device. If your phone is connected to your car, the sound will play through your car's speakers as well. This is very convenient because you don't need to keep looking at your phone screen. Whether you're walking, cycling, or driving, you can keep your phone in your pocket and still hear the directions clearly. We'll guide you step by step, so make sure you watch the full video because there are a few important things you need to know later on. To get started, go to the top right corner of Google Maps and tap on your profile icon. A new page will open. Scroll down and find Settings. These steps are the same on both Android and iPhone. Open Settings, then look for Navigation. It's the second option in the list. Here, make sure Guidance Audio is set to Unmute. Turn on Play Alerts even when muted. Then choose the sound level, either normal or louder. I prefer louder. Also, make sure Play Voice over Bluetooth is turned on if you connect to a Bluetooth device, like your car or headphones. You can also turn on Play Bluetooth phone call audio so everything works properly. Now, close the settings. When you start navigation, the voice should play normally. If it doesn't, make sure your phone is not muted. Swipe down from the top of your screen and turn off silent mode by tapping the bell icon. This will turn the ringer on and allow voice navigation to play. That's it. Voice navigation should now be enabled. If you found this useful, please leave a like. I look forward to helping you more.